Hi everyone, so in this video we're going to be looking at how to import your products from an arbitrary CSV file into Bumpa using the AI option. Here I have a CSV file that has some fields, and I might not have time to download the Bumpa template and start mapping all the fields to the Bumpa templates then directly. So the AI option helps for large arbitrary CSVs like this, and it's very simple. So I'll just head over to my Bumpa application and go to the product page. Then I click on import products, new imports, and then I'm going to use the AI option. Then I'm going to upload this CSV file I have. Notice the file must be a CSV file. And once I select the file, I can publish all, that is to set all of them to show up on my storefront, or use the option from CSV or set to non-publish, which I'm going to do. And the AI option is able to scan my CSV and map it properly to my Bumpa shop. So it's going to take some time to upload, analyze this CSV, and yeah, I can see my CSV file here. I click on the refresh button. I can see that the total products were also mapped and the images is remaining one. So if I refresh again, yeah, I have the two images well mapped into the system. So I have my two products here with their prices just as they were in the CSV. Thank you.